Typical story, I had a cherry 73 fresh out of high school. Typical story, I should have kept it. It was perfect. Howdy and welcome to Hanks of Denver. This is June 1st, 2019. A little history on this 73 Bronco. On October 4th, 2017, I dragged this thing out of the junkyard. Didn't run or drive. When it did run, it didn't drive. When it did drive, it wouldn't stop. 4 worn out drum brakes. Now it's got 4-wheel disc, rebuilt the rear Ford 9-inch differential, put some quick release stainless door hinges on it. And now I am discovering all the rust. So here I have some things I cut out. Big rust spot here. Took that out. I'm going to weld in a new scab. Typical inner fender rust here. And this is what I'm doing today. So we'll find out what the next project's going to be after some welding.
Hey you, see I told you so. Hey you, I'm ready to go. Hey you, now you better show. Hey you, no time to be slow. I do think you're here. There's nothing to fear. Hey you, I'm with you. I see you, I hear you. Hey you, I'm with you. I miss you.
Today's the day, April 20th, 2020. I'm going to take this bad boy to the body yard. Good.
Hey you, I think you should know. Hey you, I'm feeling it so. Hey you, I won't go solo. Hey you, 'cause I'm loving you so.
I'm breaking down a 4R70W.
Okay, go ahead. Ooh, nice. Can you get that bolt out? That's the socket. Good job. The bolt's still on there. High five. No, 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 no. Wait, stop. You got to put that in there. You got to push. Push.
Is it in?
No. Bring it up and towards me a little bit. Push. Let me help you. There you go. Go ahead. More. Push in. There you go. More. 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 There you go. Okay, take the bolt out with your hand. Good job. Needs some dental work. Pretty epic moment here at Mountain Horse Garage. 5,420 feet in elevation. I rebuilt the 4R70W from a nice heavy Mountaineer for this 73 Bronco. And then just tonight I buttoned up the Dana 20 transfer case, got it installed, putting in the old twin sticks. This 73 Bronco Saginaw steering gear also has 17 black and 17 silver bearings. We'll be reusing those. This Bronco is driving me completely insane. This was a 4-spot garage, and now it is completely, whoops, spill. Driving me flippin' insane. Kidding me? Yep, my first rebuild of an engine was a CBR 900 97. That's a motorcycle piston ring compressor for the old Saginaw bearing retainer. Yep, not a lot of room to move around in here anymore. There's the culprit. Yeah, a little space back there, but that does me no good right now. Woo! Wow, that's a lot of stuff. What do you think, guys?
Well, I think this trailer looks awesome.
Yeah. So if you like this video, please
Subscribe.
and
Smash the like button.
and we'll see you next time. Bye. Say bye, Mila.